sono Giorgio.
Right, let's see if we can get in the bell tower, shall we? Maybe not, maybe so. Is this for to go to the tower? Well, that was easy enough. What time is it now, Pete? €8 a ticket. She said, yeah, 11:30 the bell rings. She said, so don't get scared.
Yeah.
You've got 9 minutes, right? Let's go get the lift to the top.
When you notice some of the wooden stairs, a bit scary to
Whoa,
move.
it's going to be windy up here, I can tell you that right now, yeah. Oh, yeah, it's windy. We've just got out the lift behind me and I've just had a quick look. These views are amazing. Right, it's really windy, so I'm hoping the wind protectors I'll put on here work. Look at this. Oh my God. I'm really hoping the wind works, the wind muffs. Look at that. Oh my God. That is beautiful. Can you see the plane in the sky? Probably not. Oh wow. On this side. Oh my God, it's so windy. Oh no, it's not cold. No, it's not cold. It's just really windy. Oh wow. I think I like this one best yet, Pete.
Yeah. I don't know, I like it really, even better, I think, that other one.
What, this one's better?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so too, yeah. We're going to go down there for a coffee, by the way,
Oh yeah.
afterwards. Let's try the other side then. Oh my God. Oh wow. Oh my God.
Yeah, that's true.
On the way down now, that was incredible. That is a must do.
Yeah.
That's probably that could be the best thing we've done, Pete. What do you think?
Yeah, it's really good. Really good views. Oh yeah.
It's really windy. I'm hoping these wind muffs will work. I highly recommend that. Come over to this island and do that bell tower. Incredible views for €8.
Yeah, it's only €8.
And there's no need to pre what you saw. Nobody was here.
And not very busy as well, yeah.
Wow.